This week marks 1 year posting videos on YouTube, and what I want to do is I just want to say thank you guys for the love and support following along with my journey, and I want to do a giveaway as a thanks to you guys for following along and for those that have been with me since day one. I know it's been a long journey and you guys have stuck with me throughout the entire process, and I just want to say thank you guys. So during this video I want to break down the reality of YouTube. I want to do a giveaway, and I'm also going to be announcing the giveaway winner for the Helium 10 software tool, so stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Trevin Peterson, and it's crazy to think I've been on YouTube now for just over a year. And I just wanted to make this video thanking you guys. I want to do a giveaway to give back to you guys and kind of reflecting on my journey. It's kind of crazy to look back at how far I've come, to look at the whole process, and to actually kind of see what I've gone through, the ups and the downs. And it's really difficult to grow a YouTube channel. And I just want to say thank you guys that have been with me from day one. I really appreciate the support. And the haters, that's okay, that's for another video. But if you don't like my content, then why are you watching it? Why are you leaving bad comments? Why are you disliking it? It is what it is. That's just the way the world goes. But I just try to surround myself with positive people. And if you guys want positive, you want motivation, you want good content, then that is what I'm all about. So consider subscribing if you guys are new. We talk about Amazon FBA, how to grow an FBA business, and live the lifestyle of your dreams, being able to work from wherever you want. I mean, looking and reflecting on my journey through my FBA journey, I mean, I've been doing Amazon FBA since 2017 and to now where I'm at, 2019. I mean, my life is completely different. Like, I did a complete 180. So I feel extremely blessed, and that's why I have this YouTube channel, is to help you guys. So I try to provide as much value as possible, and I hope that you guys enjoy it, you take advantage of it, and that you appreciate it. So I'm going to continue to release new videos, for sure one video per week. I'm hoping to do 1 to 2 videos per week, and I'm going to try to provide as much value as I can when it comes to selling on Amazon. So let's go into my computer where I want to show you guys. Let's see if my screen is sharing. So right here. So here we are now inside my screen, where I just wanted to kind of show you my YouTube channel and to show you guys the progress. So a year later, I have 1,800 subscribers, which I'm super happy about. I know other channels grow a lot quicker, but I'm satisfied with my progress because I stuck it through. Being consistent is really difficult. Some days I'm not really motivated to release content, and especially in the very beginning, because you know only a couple people are viewing your videos. So I'm right there with you. For those that are starting your YouTube channel, it is very difficult. And where my channel is at right now, it's nothing where I want it to be, but I'm satisfied with 1 year progress at 1,800 subscribers. So if we go back to kind of my videos from my very beginning, right here, this is one of my first videos that I posted. It was posted March 22nd, 2018, and today's March 20th. So I do have videos prior to that one. I just feel so embarrassed having them that I took them off my channel. I mean, even watching like these videos, if you go back and watch my first even my first 50 videos, I just feel like a complete idiot. I don't feel super comfortable in front of the camera. I don't have a professional camera. I don't have a good microphone. I don't have a good back setting. I mean, I still have a lot to improve, but overall, from when I first started to now, I've seen so much progress, and that's all that matters, is taking it one step at a time, not just thinking overnight you're going to start seeing success. And that's what I want you guys to get out of this video, is success does not happen easy. It doesn't happen overnight. It's going to take time. It's going to require a lot of energy and effort, and you may not be good at something when you first start, but over time, if you do it enough, you will be good at it. So it doesn't matter what business you guys are doing, whether it's Amazon FBA, whether it's Shopify dropshipping, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether you're trading on the stock market, doing cryptocurrency, whatever you're doing, it's going to take some time to get the results that you want. So that's why I just wanted to make this video and just open up and let you guys know and just be 100% transparent that this is difficult. Any business that you're growing is going to be hard. It's going to take some time, and you need to realize that. So as I wrap up this video, I do want to announce the giveaway winners. So last week I did a video with Helium 10. If you guys don't know what Helium 10 is, I would highly recommend going and looking at my past videos. It's one of the best software tools for Amazon FBA sellers. Anyways, I did a giveaway where I'm giving away this t-shirt, this Helium 10 t-shirt, and I'm also giving away a $100 value platinum plan, so 1 free month subscription to their service. And to check that out, you can go to the Facebook group. I'm going to announce the winners there. I made a quick video, so join the Facebook group. I will include the link down below so that you guys can see whether or not you won the giveaway. So now let's do the giveaway for this video, just as a thank you guys. So right here, what I want to do is I want to give away this Amazon FBA Product Research Champion course. It is $21 as of now. The price is going to go up, but I'm going to give that to you completely free, and I'm also going to do a coaching call, so a free 30-minute coaching call that is a $75 value. I charge $75 for 30 minutes. So I'm going to be giving away those two things, 100% related to Amazon FBA. So if you guys are interested, growing your FBA business, taking it to the next level, you guys can enter this giveaway, and all you need to do is like this video, leave a comment, join the Facebook group. Actually, you just need to do one or two things, okay? I'm going to make it really easy for you guys so you don't have to go through some ginormous list. You can either join the Facebook group or subscribe. Okay, you need to do those two things and then leave a thumbs up on this video. So there's 3 things. You can also leave a comment. I would appreciate it. So there's 4 things that you can do to enter to win this giveaway. Like the video, leave a comment, subscribe, and join the Facebook group. So do one of those 4 things. I don't care. Do it, and you have a chance to win this Amazon Champion course and a free 30-minute coaching call with me. So I just want to say thank you guys for following along, supporting me with my journey, and I really appreciate it, especially those that have been with me since day one. I wish I knew my first subscriber. I don't. If you do, if you know that you were the first one to subscribe to my channel, let me know. I would really appreciate it. And I just want to say thank you guys, and I really do appreciate it, and I'm really excited for this next year to come on YouTube, because I have a lot more coming at you. So thank you so much. Subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, and we will see you in the next video.